Truman and I are going to make a video. It is going to be about Uncle Jim's garden. There is Uncle Jim's house. Up there, everybody's playing at the family reunion. Now we're going to walk around, see the grapevines. Truman, do you want to take us down to the treehouse?
Yeah.
Okay, why don't you run down and I'll follow you. Okay, show me where the treehouse is. There's the treehouse. All right, where do you want to take me next? Should we go over to see the chickens? We hear the chickens. Do you hear the chickens? Are they hungry? Okay, let's go this way, Truman. Okay, you show me what you want to show me. That's a shed. Oh, we don't want. Okay, we won't get right close to them. The spider shed. Yeah. That's cool. Very cool looking. Very scary looking. Okay, should we go up this path?
It's so dark in there.
Yeah, there's a cool little wall just there in the garden. Okay, let's go up the path. Do you want to go up ahead of me so I can see you in the camera? Okay. Keep going up the hill. Oh, that's a pokey bush, huh? Is this where the chickens live?
Close. Yep.
Whoa, there's chickens. There's a bunch up on the hill. What are they doing, Truman?
Oh man, they have a bunch of chickens.
There's that rooster we were hearing. Should we go in and see a couple of them really quick? Okay, let's be gentle with them. There's the rooster. Let's stay away from the rooster. It might be getting kind of... Oh, that's such a pretty speckled Sussex. There's the Americana. Oh, there's another one. Pretty chickens. Okay, let's go see their coop, shall we? There's their run. Okay.
That's their coop?
That's their coop and their run. So let's go.
Here.
Oh, there's some pretty wheelbarrows.
Laid any eggs?
Okay, why don't you go see if they laid any eggs? Oh, look at that.
Look in here.
Oh, you gotta pull this little thing up. Open it up.
Nope.
I don't see any eggs. We'll close it back. Okay.
Some chickens in there.
Let's go see where they have their roosts. Okay, I'm gonna check it out. This is where they sleep. Some nice roosts and a little ladder. Some food. Nesting boxes on the other side. Little bar for them to get up. There's their cool door to get out, and they have a little ramp to get down into their run.
Oh yeah.
Very cool. Okay, let's go out. We'll walk up and see the raspberries. We're gonna close this carefully. Truman, you want to take me over to see the raspberries?
I farted.
Oh, that's silly. Here's the beautiful tomato plants.
And there's a shovel.
There's the raspberry bushes. Those are doing really well. Let's get a close-up on some of those raspberries. Ooh, nice. You see the beehive? Should we go see the bees? There they are. There's the bees. I'll be careful. It's a nice beehive there. It's like the bees are pretty active today. Okay, do you want to go see the old, beat-up old truck out there? Why don't you run out and point it out for me?
Over there!
Very cool. That's the neighbor's yard. Alright, Truman, I'm going to walk over here and see the trees, and then we're going to turn the video camera off. Lots of raspberry vines. Lots of benches around here. Very cool. Here is a beautiful apple tree. Uncle Jim makes cider. Just a second. There's the apple orchard. And we're going to turn it off for a minute.